In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to shell a body in Fusion 360 using the Shell tool. This is a fundamental skill for any 3D designer or engineer because the Shell tool allows you to remove the inside of a solid body, leaving behind a hollow object with a specific wall thickness. This is incredibly useful for creating cases, enclosures, containers, and various parts that need to be manufactured via 3D printing or injection molding. Instead of manually cutting out interiors, Fusion 360 does the heavy lifting for you in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more high-quality CAD tutorials. To get started, we first need a solid body to work with. If you are starting from a blank workspace, go ahead and create a basic shape like a box or a cylinder. For this example, I will go to the Create menu, select Box, choose the ground plane, and draw out a simple rectangular prism. Once you have your solid geometry ready, it is time to access the command. You can find the Shell tool by navigating to the top toolbar and clicking on the Modify menu. From the drop-down list, locate and click on Shell. You will see a dialog box appear on the right side of your screen. The first thing Fusion 360 asks for is a selection. You need to select a face to remove. This is a crucial step because the face you click on will be completely removed to create the opening of your hollow part. For a typical container, you would select the top face. Simply click on that surface and it will highlight in blue. Now the next step is to set the wall thickness. In the dialog box, you will see a field for Inside Thickness. Enter your desired value here. For instance, type in 2 mm. You will immediately see a preview in the viewport showing how the body is being hollowed out. Fusion 360 is very versatile, so you can choose to shell inwards, outwards, or both. But for most standard projects, the inside thickness is exactly what you need. If you want to create a more complex part, you can even select multiple faces to remove simultaneously by holding down the Control or Command key while clicking. This would open up multiple sides of the object. Take a moment to review the preview. Ensure the walls look uniform and that the thickness matches your engineering requirements. Once everything looks perfect and the geometry is precisely how you want it, go ahead and click the OK button. Fusion 360 will process the command, removing the interior volume and leaving you with a perfectly hollowed-out body with a consistent wall thickness. It is as simple as that. You have transformed a solid block into a functional shell. This technique saves you a massive amount of time compared to alternative methods like creating offset sketches and using the Extrude Cut command. If you found this tutorial helpful for your design workflow, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Following these steps will ensure your 3D models are optimized and ready for the next stage of your project. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Fusion 360 guide.